All right, everyone, a quick update on Fort here. So this thing's up almost 7% on the week, but it's still not doing anything from the last update. You can see it's still just sitting here above our green support line, which is the low to the high 786. It didn't quite come down to that previous high here. So that's what we were kind of watching. If it came down and broke this support line here, it would break the slightly higher low bullish market structure here on the macro weekly chart here, by the way, and then it would probably end up coming back down to 8 pennies and maybe lower, but it's holding up nicely here. It is more forming rather that market structure on the smaller time frames, which we're not going to go to, but the big picture here, it is sitting back above the 786, that final support level at 11. And as long as we're above that high 11 penny mark here, we're at 12.3 at the moment. The price to beat is, of course, the macro 236 here at 12. Once we get over 12, that should send us up to the 618 and the 382 here at about 16. So we can be bullish once again once we finally get over 16 for a push to these higher price targets here. And going from today, where, like I said, the price is really not doing anything, you only need to move up about 2% to get over that 12.4. We're almost there. And then to that 382 is about a 31% move. So those are your two prices to watch. But like I said, as long as you're over 11, you're over that final 786 support. And we'll see if this is the bottom being put in on Ford here for a move higher. Now, with all that being said, how high is this thing going to go? I did have to change the market caps from the last update. So apparently they must have released more tokens into circulation, or I'm now using CoinGecko instead of CoinMarketCap because they seem to be more accurate rather with prices. So going from today in price at 12.2 here, if this thing only makes it up to the 786 retracement at 32.5 here, you could see about a 2.5, maybe a 3x on your investment here. So not bad to make it up to that price. And one other thing, if we just kind of zoom out and look at the overall chart, the overall macro chart here, you can see all the wicks above this 32-cent area. So I think once we get over 32, say 33 cents on Ford here, that's when she's really going to start flying. Once we get over that with a weekly close above that 786 and hopefully have some follow through. But just looking at the overall chart, it looks like it's going to be bullish over about 33 pennies here. Now, to move this thing up, a couple of prices to watch to maybe take some profit out. We do have the 1272 here at 75. So 75 would be a good price for a 6x on your investment. And then you can see we have 96.5, maybe that dollar range here would be a good price. So a good round dollar number up here near the 1414 is going to give you about an 8x on your investment. And then a little over $500 million market cap up to $1.37 takes us up to the 1618. Would be another good target for Ford here. You're going to get that 11x on your investment up to that price range. And if you want a high target, you think that Ford here is going to hit a $2 billion market cap, that's going to take you up to the 2272. This is where you let a moonbag kind of ride up to this to see if it's going to hit a 2 billion market cap. That's going to give you about a 35x almost and take you up to about $4.27. So a lot of good profit taking prices on Ford here, and then a good top target here in my opinion. So what are your thoughts? Comment down below. None of this is financial advice, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.